In front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings. Now scroll down a bit to click on security and privacy. Then click on device unlocking and finally tap on face. Enter your current login method. Hit start enrollment at the bottom right corner. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Wait for 100% mark. Then select OK and manage all of those options however you want to. Most importantly though, make sure this switcher next to unlock is blue. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!